In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text and font color in DaVinci Resolve, and I'll also show you how to add a border and use advanced shading options for a more polished look. This is a really useful skill, whether you're making YouTube thumbnails, lower thirds, titles, or any kind of on-screen text that needs to match your brand. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve guides. Let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're on the Edit page. You can do that by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where you'll place and edit your text on the timeline. Once you're on the Edit page, look to the top left corner and open the Effects library. This is where all your titles, transitions, and video effects are stored. Inside the Effects library, go to Toolbox, then click Titles. Here you'll find a variety of text options. But for this tutorial, we're using Text Plus because it gives you much more control over color, shading, and styling. Drag the Text Plus title onto Video Track 2 on your timeline. Placing it on Video Track 2 makes it easy to layer over your footage without affecting the main video underneath. Now click the Text Plus clip on the timeline so it becomes highlighted with a red border. That tells you the title is selected and ready to edit. Next, move over to the top right corner and open the Inspector panel. Make sure the Video tab is selected because that's where the title controls live. Inside the inspector, click the Text sub-tab to access the primary text settings. Scroll down until you find the Color section. You'll see a rectangular color bar there, and that is the main control for your text color. Click the color bar to open the Pick Color window. From here, you can choose any hue you want using the color wheel. Or if you need a very specific brand color, you can type in exact RGB values. This is especially helpful if you want your text to match a logo, a website, or a consistent channel style. Once you've picked the color you want, click OK to apply it to the text. If you want even more control, go to the Shading sub-tab at the top of the inspector. This is where you can create more advanced looks, including gradients and outlines. Make sure Select Element is set to 1, which is the default text fill. If you want the text to fade between two colors, change the appearance setting to Gradient. This can give your title a more modern and dynamic feel. Now, if you want to add an outline or border around your text, click the Shading Element dropdown and select 2, which is the red border element. Then click the Enable checkbox so the border becomes visible. After that, adjust the color setting for element 2 to create a strong contrast around your text. A border like this can make your text much easier to read, especially if it's sitting over a bright or busy background. Take a moment to fine-tune the color, border, and shading until it looks exactly the way you want. Small changes can make a huge difference in how professional your text appears on screen. Once you're happy with it, play back your timeline and see how the title looks in motion. If needed, you can always go back into the inspector and make more adjustments. And that's it. You now know how to change text and font color in DaVinci Resolve, plus how to use shading and borders for a more advanced look. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other DaVinci Resolve tutorials for more quick editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.